I think it's time to call your landlord. Just tell them that you're moving out. Yeah, you're tired of your stupid rules anyway. I think it's time to pack some boxes, load them up into my car. We'll leave your mattress by the road and drive away to my place, your place, a little hideaway, a little sweet escape. My place, your place, a little hideaway from what in the world do we call this road anyway?
I think it's time to call it all off. We know it wasn't working out. Yeah, I'm tired of your shitty car anyway. I think it's time, see, we're all so different. You're always blabbing about tomorrow, but I want the moment, so let's go our separate ways. To my place, your place, a little hideaway, a little sweet escape. My place, your place, a little hideaway from what in the world do we call this road anyway? Move it, you think I'm crazy, but move it. I think we need our own space. Move it, you think I'm crazy, but I think we need our own place. My place, your place, a little hideaway. My place, your place, a little hideaway, a little sweet escape. My place, your place, a little hideaway from what in the world do we call this world anyway?
A on? Això d'ahir Benissivà? Sí, però anem caminant.
Però passem allí, no? Sempre dit.
Sí, anem allí. Allí a la coveta, allí dins anem a entrar. I després ens tornem arrere i baixarem per ací.
She dances to it all. She must have heard those beats before. She dances to it all. She must have heard those beats before. She dances to it all. She must have heard those beats before. She dances to it all. She must have heard those beats before.
I después así